Pakamalan is one of those fighters that nakikitaan natin ng bright future sa Philippine boxing, partner.
For sure. And itong si Melchor Roda, partner, tough. Had a good beginning in his career. Let's see. He's rearing to have a resurgence sa kanyang karera.
Binabati ko isa sa mga magigiting nating boxing judge na si Efrem Puerta Jr.
Hi, Sir Efrem.
Thank you for the hashtag Recalvination.
Yes, thank you po.
Roda is a big test for Pakamalan, partner. We all know Joji is a bright prospect in Philippine boxing. Makikita natin kung how he handle a veteran fighter in Roda.
Certainly, no.
The ever-smiling Melchor Roda, partner.
Smiling eyes.
Kahit nga hindi naka-smile pa rin yan.
Yes.
Very soft-spoken na tao at napakabait din. I'm speaking of Melchor Roda.
And yun nga, you spoke about him and his, kumaga, he's a more veteran boxer, no? Umabot pa yan ng Ala Days, partner.
Yes, oo. Inabutan ko pa nga.
Hindi ako nagsabi, ikaw nagsabi. Yeah. Ito namang si Joji Pakamalan, of course, yun nga sabi mo is being touted as one of the rising stars in the division.
Yes, he must just stay a little bit patient. We all know Pakamalan has a power or dynamite on both of his hands, but he must use his jab and try to set up everything, partner. Hindi naman natin makukuha sa isang suntok-suntukan lang talaga. You must set it up and try to learn every trick in the book for you to be a better fighter, partner.
For sure. And as for Roda naman, yun na nga. Pag sinabi mo kasing veteran moves, alam mo na yun. Just every trick in the book, just try to test the body, test the kumbaga, sa'yo manggagaling yung pace if you're the more veteran boxer.
I really like how Pakamalan is trying to establish that jab. That will be the start of his setup, of his power punches.
For sure. And yun na nga, staying patient is very important for him also. Not jumping at the opportunity kapag alanganin, which is important.
I like how Pakamalan is doing. He is not rushing in. He is trying to be very, very patient with Melchor Roda.
And similarly, when they're laying traps out there, they should be patient, Kasi one moment na nag-init ka lang, mawawala yung mga sineset up mo na traps and triggers. There you have it. A feeling out round for both boxers in round 1.
Batiin lang natin partner si Risa Jen Pakama. Pa-shoutout daw. Kamusta kayo dyan? And Ralph Sarol Francisco. Let's go Team Arcilla Boxing Gym. Kamusta?
Yes. Yung mga taga-Arcillas Boxing Gym, if I'm not mistaken, itong si Ralph Sarol Francisco ay also an MMA fighter, Nabutan ko pa yan nasa PXC. Ako yung napaghalataan yung edad.
Tsaka may isang fighter sila dyan na magaling. Kaya lang, syempre medyo on the losing streak right now, yung Roshlan Echo. Yes, and I think he just need one great fight and he will be back in the helm.
Here we go, round 2, Pakamalan versus Roda. Yes, maraming salamat Coach Ron Rix Dalot sa inyong greeting. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa, tama ba, nasa General Santos ba kayo, Coach?
Sunman Boxing Gym.
Sa Jensan, di ba?
Tsaka sa Jensan na rin and Sunman. And kamusta na rin sa mga boss natin from Samnan Boxing Gym, Boss JC Manangkil, Boss Dexter Tan.
There you go. So far, same thing. Both of them laying traps. Roda answering with either an overhand or body shot. Si Pakamalan naman with that lethal right hand. But always with that jab,
Ayun, partner, medyo nakasingit si Roda ng counter doon, which is very, very dangerous. punch, alam natin na meron din kakayahan yung Roda.
Definitely, but Pakamalan also with that sneaky and fast uppercut. Minsan kasi sa boxing, it's also how fast you react. Ano?
Of course.
Minsan kasi kung may power ka, kung hindi ka naman nakaka-react, mahirap din. It's hard to land a shot. Yes, Coach Ron Rex, good luck sa ating mga fighters na may mga future fights. Good luck sa inyo dyan. And
congratulations also for Dave Apolinario
of
for
course.
winning sa Japan. Noong February 22 yun.
Definitely.
Ay nakita ko si Coach Ron Lex doon sa being their head trainer for Dave Apolinario.
And big things coming from Dave Apolinario. So good luck sa team. And full support for everyone.
We support each and every Filipino fighter in their ups and in their down. We must support them.
Of course, of course. I mean, it takes a person who has been through adversity to understand na hindi katapusan ang pagkatalo sa boxing, di ba, partner? If you don't understand that, then I don't know kung bakit wala kayong simpatya. But it's hard, it's so hard.
I think you just need to rise from that occasion. You must try to redeem yourself. Yun ay manggagaling na rin dun sa tao mismo. Pero hindi makakatulong if you bash a boxer because obviously their morale is very down. Then gagawin mo pa yon. I think you must lift up a boxer, lalong-lalo na kung kababayan mo yun.
Definitely,
Shout
definitely.
out lang kay Suslain Likot, a boxer from Sir Bebot Elorde.
Yes, shout out sa'yo.
And I think meron silang mga laban din at may promotion din si Boss Gabriel Bebot Elorde on April 13, partner.
Right. Alam mo, partner, one thing good about this matchup is, this is perfect timing for Joji Pakamalan to fight Roda. Kasi itong si Melchor Roda, he made a comeback last year, I think. And right now, maganda na yung training niya. So you're facing a different Melchor Roda from a few months back. He's more prepared, mas ensayado siya. And ito naman si Joji Pakamalan, if you wanna test, an up-and-coming boxer, sabi mo, is have him face a veteran. And perfect, very perfect matchup we have right here. Shout out Jemel Magramo, partner. Ikaw na mag-shout out. Champ Jemel.
Good luck on your fight, Jemel, on March 24 in Okada City, Manila.
Definitely the main event of the March 24 Elorde Awards, Elorde Pacquiao Awards. Blow by blow.
Yes,
right?
blow by blow. And dahil nga nabanggit mo na blow by blow, nagpapasalamat tayo that some key personnel is watching us from blow by blow.
Right.
Nagpapasalamat tayo sa mga tao, kay Mr. Barrera kanina na nanonood sa atin at natutuwa siya sa how we handle the commentating duties. Salamat po. Pag may mga ganyang quality at mga matataas na tao na nanonood sa atin, papasalamat tayo.
Huge right by Joji Pakamalan right there.
Kamusta sa lahat ng kaibigan natin dyan sa Villamor Boxing Gym sa Cebu? At I'm wishing the boy, the Cebuano assassin, Raymart Tagacanaw, on his quest to be a champion on March 8 on Kumong Bulanon 14.
There you go. And actually, what the good thing that Pakamalan is doing here is doesn't let go of the jab, because Roda will keep coming forward. So he has to really establish that range. Don't let Roda come in, because if he comes in, he's most likely coming in with an uppercut, with hooks, and all that. Shout out Arian Fantilanan from Tiaong, Quezon.
Yes.
Jemel Magramo, salamat sa greeting, champ.
Kamusta po dyan sa lahat ng tiga Tiaong, Quezon? Sana po kahit papano in our own little way, Elorde TV is giving you a very quality platform para makapanood po kayo ng magagandang boxing fight. Again, the one who is fighting right now is Joji Pakamalan, who is wearing the Red Trunks and Melchor Roda, who is in the white and black pipings.
Final minute of round 3. Ma'am Lysel Pakamalan, good afternoon po sa inyo. Watching us from El Salvador City. At pamangkin pala niya si Joji Pakamalan. Yes, maraming salamat po.
Coach Dino.
Yeah,
Coach
Dino
Dino Alibeti. I will try really my best to be on the May 1 card, which will be featuring Darwin Boyones comeback fight on May 1 doon sa Cebu. I'm looking forward na sana makapanood ako doon sa paboxing na yon. Siyempre ako yung nagbigay ng moniker na sa kanyang cool boy.
Of course. Definitely. So good luck sa fight card na yan. There you go. We're nearing the end of round 3. Oh, good setup. Alam mo what I like? Oh, uppercut right at the bell. Isa pang magandang ginagawa actually ni Pakamalan is he's trying to vary the intensity of the punches. No, he doesn't gas himself out by putting out all power punches and just picks his shot. Ito namang si Roda, I like the aggression. I like that he doesn't play the waiting game against Joji Pakamalan. He's trying to pressure him, and really push him.
Batiin lang natin si Sheena Altina Abiel Mejos. Shoutout sa lahat ng taga-Bataan and the Caparasa family and Roda family.
Si John naman, shoutout sa iyo dyan sa Squared Circle Boxing Gym.
Ay may mga nagtanong din looking for services of Recalvination as a commentator. Pwede naman po. Kami po ay open for anything. You just put a message on our personal account and surely minuto pa lang masasagot na namin yan.
Definitely. Here we go. Round 4. Joji Pakamalan wearing the black and red trunks. Itong si Melchor Roda wearing the black and yellow trunks. Both of them right now started this round on the inside, trading uppercuts.
Sabi nga na parang blaze of fire.
Exactly, partner. There you go. Just standing toe-to-toe. Ducking, countering with uppercuts, sneaking that hook up the guard.
Pakamalan is showing a different facet of his boxing game. Kasi dati yung Pakamalan talagang susugurin ka lang and try to knock you out. Right now, I think he's learning the ropes of trying to be more complete fighter.
Definitely. And maybe yun na nga, pacing yourself. This is a 6-round affair. You need to learn how to use your stamina in each of the rounds.
Oh, nice uppercut by Roda.
Roda, very tough fighter, very, very resilient also.
Oh, both fighters are digging to the body. Both exchanging great shots.
Right now, no one wants to reset. They're just standing in front.
Great two body blows from Pakamalan.
And Roda is more than willing to fight and trade with him on the inside.
Yeah.
Oh! A little off balance there. Pakamalan digging to the body. Roda just pushing him out with that stiff jab.
I definitely think, and I could conclude it, that this is the better version of Joji Pakamalan, partner.
Definitely. And like I said, also, he's facing a much better Melchor Roda from the previous bouts that we saw him. Look at that. Just a steady grip of punch from Pakamalan. Just not letting Roda breathe. Overwhelming him. Oh! Roda was able to get out of the corner. Oh, there you go. And the tides were turned.
Wow.
What a turnaround, partner. What a turnaround. And our referee has called a stop to the contest just at the cusp of that round. Joji Pakamalan turned around.
Yeah. Wow. Through adversity, Melchor Roda winning by a 5th round TKO, partner.
For sure, and his win ever since he came back, because like I said, he stopped for a while, he came back, and then right now earning a win against the undefeated Joji Pakamalan. Chris Ganoza, congrats daw. Bye. Melchor Roda, Red Aloro, Zena Mejos, Emeline Dizon. Hindi ko nakita kung sino yung nag-comment pero sabi dito Malatio, Fimo Lopez, Terence Crawford, David Benavides. Definitely a very edge of your seats kind of fight given to us by Melchor Roda and Joji Pakamalan. Arvin Benot, Andy Barce, shout out.
At 2 minutes and 54 seconds of round number 4. We have a winner by a technical knockout, Melchor Roda.
Winner via TKO, Melchor Roda, Arian Fantilianan.
Donated by the Honorable Vice Mayor Joan Villaverde. All trophies are donated by Vice Mayor Joan Villaverde.